I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Put the Apple Watch snug and high so the heart and motion sensors read cleanly. Open the workout app and pick strength training or other for freeform lifting. Choose a specific target if you want time, sets, or calories tracked. Once done, swipe to check heart rate and motion calibration are active, and make sure Do Not Disturb is on so timers and beeps aren't interrupted. Begin with a short warm-up, set to let the sensors stabilize before heavy reps. You now manage the middle of the session by actively marking sets and rests. Tap the screen or press the digital crown to log a set, and use the lap button to record rest intervals. This keeps the timeline clean so you can review volume later. Rely on heart rate and accelerometer data for intensity calculations. If you want higher accuracy, pair a BLE chest strap. Once a movement pattern changes, switch workout type or let auto detection capture the shift, and you can correct it afterwards. You complete the session by ending the workout and saving it, then immediately glance at the summary to confirm duration, HR zones, and calories. Once synced to your iPhone, edit exercise type, lap markers, and calorie estimates for accurate records, and use those numbers to adjust next session intensity. If data looks wrong, try simple fixes. Resync the watch, restart the device, clean the sensors, and recheck wrist fit. This usually restores reliable heart rate and motion reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.